In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a VWAP on Sierra chart or a volume weighted average price. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you some steps in here, but listen carefully as I explain each step so you can follow along. So first, start by opening your Sierra chart platform and then go to the file and then find symbol and then choose the instrument you want to analyze and then click the open intraday chart. So to add a VWAP study with your chart, open, click the analysis and then studies at the top. And then in the studies window, scroll through the list on the left and look for the volume weighted average price or simply search for it. And then after that, select it and then click add and then hit OK. And to customize VWAP, this is optional. So before clicking OK, you can hit settings. You can change the color, line, style, or add VWAP bands for the upper and lower level. So you can even anchor it to a specific bar or time if needed. And that's it. So now your VWAP line should be visible right now onto your charts. It updates automatically as new data comes in, so making it super handy for intraday traders. And that's how you build a VWAP in Sierra chart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.